How do you know the right kind of people to target and attract thousands of customers to your business? The answer lies in creating the perfect buyer persona, also known as customer profile. But how can you do this easily and for free? Hello everyone, my name is Startup Jazzu. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Facebook Audience Insights to create a perfect buyer persona and attract customers to your business. Before we get started, please subscribe to my channel, click the alert notifications button so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be notified. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it so that more people can see it. So, let us begin. How do you create the perfect buyer persona that will help you attract customers to your business? Well, there are many ways you can do this, but using the Facebook Audience Insights is easy and is free. Facebook Audience Insight is a feature found in Facebook Ads Manager. Let me show you how you can access it and use it to create the perfect buyer persona. So I'm going to open my Facebook page. This is my Facebook page, Startup Jazzu. So I access the Ads Manager, click on the three lines on the top left-hand side of your Facebook page. If you click there, you can scroll down all the way down. You will see Audience Insights. So click on this and Facebook Audience Insights will open. If you don't have a Facebook page, you can access the Facebook Ads Manager from your personal Facebook account. But please bear in mind that you cannot use Audience Insight unless you have a Facebook page. But if you want to access it, let me show you how to go about it. On the top right hand side of your Facebook page, your Facebook account, you see this drop down here. Click on it and select Settings and Privacy. Then select Privacy. Under Privacy, select Payments. And from Payments, you see the Facebook Ads Manager button. When you click on it, it should take you ordinarily, if you have a Facebook page, it will take you to the Ads Manager account. But if you don't, it will ask you to create a Facebook page before you can access the Audience Insight. So let's go back to our Facebook Audience Insight and see how we can use this to create the perfect buyer persona. So the first step is to select an audience. Are you going to use everyone on Facebook or people connected to your page? Let's go with everyone on Facebook. So you click on this and it will open. This is the dashboard of the Facebook Audience Insight. By default, you see that the country selected is United States of America. So you can change this to examine the audience in any location in the world where Facebook have data. So since we are doing this from Nigeria, let's change this to Nigeria. So by the left-hand side, the menu on the left-hand side, all you need to do is come here, remove United States, and key in Nigeria from your desktop or your phone or whatever you are using. So this is Nigeria. We'll select Nigeria. You see that the data has changed. So from Facebook's side, you can see that about 20 million to 25 million Nigerians are on Facebook, because this is the total population of Nigerians who are on Facebook according to Facebook. Although Facebook says this is an estimated value, estimated size, so it could be more or it could be less. But that's not what our interest is. Our interest is how to use this platform to create the perfect buyer persona. So the next step is to choose your parameters. What parameters? We have selected the country already. Now, let's look at the gender. Are you going to target just men or men and women? Let's assume that you want to target both men and women. How about the age? Let's say you want to target people from age 25, for instance. You see the data changing? Yes, the data has changed already. Now, what is the interest? What area of business are you that you want to target people? So let's assume that you are a professional accountant who offer training to prepare accounting students for professional exams like ICANN or ACCA. So what you need to do is to key in this particular area you are interested in under the interest section. So you can come and say ACCA. Good. ACCA education programs. You can also put in accounting, for instance, since you are interested in people who are interested in accounting. Good. You select this. So this now has opened this data on people who are on Facebook who are interested in ACCA and accounting. So the next thing you need to do is to use this information to build your buyer persona. How do you go about that? Let's look at the information on the screen, then we can understand how to go about this. First of all, look at the gender of people who are interested in accounting on Facebook. Did you notice that 70% are men and 30% are women? So what does that tell you about your perfect customer? It tells you that 70% men are interested in accounting as against 30% women. So meaning your target audience, your ideal customer, is likely a man more than it is a woman. Does that make sense to you? Yes, because more men are interested in accounting and ACCA. So in the area of gender in your buyer persona, write down male. Then look at the age bracket also. Notice that from 25 to 34 years, there are about 60% men and 58% women of the entire population. Only about 16 and 19% are women and men respectively. So that tells you that the age of people who are interested in your ideal customer is between 25 and 34 years. Now we can drill this further down by trying to find out the relationship status of these our ideal customer. What is his relationship status? 54% single, less than about 10% in a relationship, 3% engaged, and 34% married. So what does that tell you? Many of them are single. So your ideal customer is a man between the age of 25 and 34 who is what? Single. What is his education level? 13% through with high school, 68% through with college, and 19% are in graduate school. That is higher institution, probably doing a master's program or something. What does that tell you about your ideal customer? He is a college graduate. So he's male, he's a college graduate, he's about 25 to 34 years and he's single. Are you seeing the picture of your ideal customer now? Because these are people who are interested in ACCA and accounting. Now you can still drill further down by coming to the job title. What kind of job do these people do? If you click on this area written selected audience, it will order it by the highest number in a particular career. So you will notice that many of them are into management, some into administrative services, some are in sales, and a far lesser number are doing other kind of business. So that tells us that our ideal customer works in a management position or in an administrative position or in sales, but most likely in management. So we are focusing on those who are in management. That gives us a picture, career of our target customer. That is not all. Let's go to the page likes. What are his likes online? This ideal customer will identify. How does he behave online? That will help us to create the kind of content we're interested in. So click on this tab here, page likes. It's going to open up and we will see certain characteristics of this ideal customer, ideal persona online. Very good. Look at their top categories. They are interested in video creator, in automotive, pastor, business consultant, urban farm, and so on. And particularly, they love or they have liked these pages. Pocketnow.com, CarPass Nigeria, PwC Nigeria. So this is the kind of pages that our ideal customer interact with. each of these pages do they attach to more? Do they really like more? Hot Forest Nigeria, Pocket now. So what you need to do is open each of these pages. By right clicking here, you can open in a new tab. Open each of these pages and see the kind of content that these pages are putting on that is making your ideal customer to like these pages. Now we help you to mimic those type of content and use them to communicate correctly with your ideal customer. So you can see this is Pocket now. You can scroll through it and take your time to examine the kind of content that they have. So you can do that for all these pages, and that will help you to understand your ideal customer better. That is not all. Where does this ideal customer live? Click on the next tab, location. Good. Again, we select here so that we can order it by the highest number. So most of them are where? In Lagos. A far lesser percentage in Kano, in Abuja. So if you are going to probably run a Facebook ad to target your ideal customers, what will be your selected location? Lagos. Now when you write maybe content or post, how you write, the language you speak, you should speak in a way that people that reside in Lagos can relate to it. The slangs you use, because your ideal customer, most of them are where? In Lagos. You can go further by looking at their top languages, the languages they speak. If you click this tab, it should open up the languages they speak. Okay. Internet is relatively slow. Most of them are Nigerians, of course. We've seen that already. Okay, because Nigerian languages are not on Facebook, maybe that's why this is not showing. But let's drill further down to their activities online. Good. Now this section is divided into two: the frequency of activities and the devices you use. What kind of device do you use? Is it desktop? Is it mobile? If it is mobile, what operating system do they run? Is it an Android or an iPhone? Those are some of the things you're going to see under the device type that you use. Okay, here we go. Let's look at the frequency of activities first. So how many pages have these people liked on average? 3. As against one page on Facebook generally, meaning that these people tend to like pages. How many comments have they made in the last 30 days? They have made on average 22 comments in the last 30 days, meaning they also engage with comments. In fact, higher than people generally on Facebook who have made 10 comments in the last 10 days. These people too also like a lot of posts because they have liked posts 25 times as against 13 people on Facebook generally. But come here and see, they don't like sharing. So don't expect them to share your post. Maybe you post something and you expect them to share so that their followers will see it. No. Don't also expect them to redeem promotions that you promote. But impressively, they click on ads. 26 ads clicked in the last 30 days, meaning almost every day they are clicking one ad. So what does that tell you? That if you run properly targeted ads, these ones are likely going to click on your ads. So our ideal customer is active on social media, on Facebook. He's clicking posts, he's liking posts, he's clicking on ads. In addition to, we can see the device they use. Desktop, about 0.7% uses only desktop. The ones that use both desktop and mobile, like me, I use mobile, use desktop, that's about 10%. But look at those that use only mobile, 89%. Whoops, 89%. So, meaning that whatever kind of content you are creating, it must be mobile responsive. It should be the kind of content that mobile users can easily relate to. For instance, if you are designing images, you should design images that when somebody opens them on mobile, they can open fully. You can see the entire image. Even when you come to the device type, you notice that most of them use Android. Not iPad, not iPhone, not BlackBerry, or not any of these, but they use what? Android devices. So you can see that looking at these parameters, we have been able to create a profile I've seen that he's mostly male, so we can give him a male name. Let's call him a Michael, for instance. We have also seen his age. He's between 25 and 34 years. We have seen his relationship status, that he's likely single. We've seen that he's a college graduate. He's in management, his career, his likes on Facebook. Yeah, mostly, you remember his likes? Let's go back to his likes. What are the likes? He likes video creators, business consultant, automotive parts and store. We've seen the kind of content he liked by going deeper into these pages. We've also seen his activity. He likes commenting. He likes clicking on ads. We've also seen his location, that he's located in Lagos, and the devices he uses is mobile or Android. So using Facebook audience insight like this, we can create a perfect buyer persona that can help us craft the right kind of message that will attract the right kind of customers to our business. We can go a little further to play with this. For instance, since we know that our audience is mostly men, we can come here, instead of selecting both men and women, we can just change this to men only. And the information will change. If you change this to men only, look at what happened. 59% married, single rather, 30% married. Do you notice that? Okay, let's change this to women only. Let's see what happens. Bingo. 44% single, 43% married. So meaning that if you are targeting women for this particular area of interest, accounting and SEC, you are going to be targeting both single and married. Whereas if you are targeting men, you are likely going to target mostly single men, because more of them are single. But women, both single and married. You see how using Facebook Insight can help you understand customers? It's really a wonderful tool, and I encourage you to use it. Now, in the meantime, if you are just watching my video for the first time, I encourage you again to go ahead, like this video, share it, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I thank you so much. I really thank you for watching. I appreciate it. It means a lot to me. Bye bye.